Alright, so let's solve a problem which appeared in JEE Main 2023. In this question, we have been given that PQR is a triangle, and then ABC are on the sides QR, RP, and PQ, and then there is a relation given. So we had to find out the area of triangle ABC is formed using joining those points, and then area of triangle PQR. So let's first draw this triangle and then see how this looks like. So we have got a triangle, right? So we can just say this is gonna be PQR like this. Okay. Now what we have got here is points ABC on this. So we've got some points ABC. So we'll just mark it out A, B, C somewhere, and then we'll see how it goes. So A is on QR, B is on RP, and then C is on PQ, which is correct. Now we have been given that AR is to QA. AR is to QA is 2:1. Okay. AR is to QA, and then BP is to RB. BP is to RB is also 2:1. And then CQ is to PC. CQ is to PC is 2:1. And then we have to like find out this area of this triangle is to area of the bigger triangle. Now, so to solve this problem, like we can use either vector algebra or even coordinate geometry. So let's use a vector algebra here, and then what I can do is I can just take this point Q as my origin, doesn't matter. So this point is gonna be my origin itself. Right? So this point is 0, 0, or you can just say this is origin, right? And this for R, let's call this as, let's say vector R itself. So this is the position vector of this point, and this is vector P for this position vector. And now we'll try to represent everything else in the terms of P and Q itself. So point B would be now like using um, this property, right? Now we can use this property that this is internally dividing into 1:2 form. So this point will be 1 into P plus 2 into R upon 3, which is P plus 2R by 3, right? This is what we will have here as the position vector of point B. Now what will be the position vector of point C? Same way 2P plus 1Q. So 2P plus Q, 2P plus Q, not Q because there is no 0. So this is 0 suitably we have assumed. So let's use 0 itself. And upon 3. So this is 2P by 3. And this will become similarly 2 into 0 plus 1 into R by 3. So this is R by 3. So these are my position vector of these 3 points. Now what I want to do is I want to find out area using the cross product. So I will find out side AC and AB and then use the cross product. So let's use AC. So AC would be OC minus OB. So OC vector is 2P by 3 minus R by 3. This is what is my AC vector. Now what will be my AB vector? My AB vector is gonna be OB minus OA vector. OB minus OA. I mean, I'll just write it, but I hope you know this to do quickly, right? OB minus OA. So OB is P plus 2R by 3, and then OA's vector is R by 3. So when I subtract, what I get is P by 3 and plus R by 3. So this is what I'll get, P plus R by 3 is what I'll get over here. Now I want to know the area of triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC is simply gonna be equal to half into AC cross AB. So let's go ahead and do this. So this will be half into AC. AC is 2P minus R by 3. And this is cross P plus R by 3. Now we are doing a cross product. So let's take these 3 out. So this will be 3 into 3 into 9. So this will be 1 upon 18. Now let's cross product. So 2P cross P would be 0 because P cross P would be 0. And then 2P cross R will be 2P cross R. Okay. Now again what we'll have here is minus, and then there will be now R cross P. So I will have R cross P. And then we will have r cross r, which will be 0 again. Now what we have got here is that p cross r and r cross p. We know that p cross r will be minus r cross p, or either I could write it as plus p cross r itself. So what we are saying is that p cross r would be equal to minus r cross p. We know this from the property of cross product, right? So now from here we can say this is 1 upon 18 times 3 times p cross r, and then of course the magnitude of it. I mean, I have not been writing magnitude, but magnitude, right? So this is 3, 6, 18. So this is what I get, 1 upon 6 p cross r. Now my area of triangle PQR is pretty simple. Area of triangle PQR, because of the way I have assumed it, triangle PQR is gonna be equal to simply half, and then this side QR, which is R itself, and then this is QP, which is P itself. So this will be half. You can say that P cross R or R cross P, whatever you want to call it. So P cross R. Now, if you can see this, right? If I divide area of triangle, what I have to find out? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, right? So that will be 1 by 6 into P cross R upon 1 by 2 into P cross R, right? So this will cancel out. What I'm left with is 1 by 3. So either this ratio is 1 by 3, or area of triangle PQR is to area of triangle ABC is 3 is to 1. So if you've been asked to find this area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, then this is going to be 1 by 3. And that is what will be your answer. Or if you're asked to find out area of triangle PQR is to area of triangle ABC, I think that is what we are supposed to find. So that would be actually equal to, as you can see, this is 3 is to 1. So this is 3 is to 1, and 3 is gonna be your answer. All right. So yeah, so in this question, if you assume one of the points to be origin, right, then the calculation would become easier. I have done this question using all the points to be different vectors, and that becomes longer. So this is an objective question. So try suitably assuming the points or the vectors which are easier for you to calculate, right? So that's all for this question. If you've got any queries, do ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.